November 14th. Last day for bow hunters across Michigan to get it done. Gun season starts tomorrow. I'm hunting out here at my property tonight. Should be some good action. This is only the second time I've hunted here the whole year. I've been letting it simmer, so I'm gonna check how many pictures I got on my trail camera in a minute. Climb up in the stand and just pray for some major blessings. There's a lot of trails coming through here. Never know though. See what happens.
Buck Nov! Thank you, Lord! I just shot a buck on my own property. Second time I've ever hunted here. Beautiful buck. Thank you, Lord, so much. Horrible shot. I'm so embarrassed of that shot, but I got him.
Going to find my buck now, but the nocturnal is lit up and it's down right over here. Might be kind of hard to see, but we're gonna get up to him. I'm so embarrassed of the shot I made. I can't believe it put him down, but I guess I'll take it. And then let's see what we got though. Now you can follow the blood trail. Six-pointer. I probably have a picture of this guy, actually. Well, I'll be doggone. Look at that, he's stinky. Can you smell him? Wow. Year and a half old, but man, I thought he was big. Still, he went down, and I'm gonna put a doggone tag on this buck. This side is not too shabby. He's got a fat neck, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that's one down. Not too proud of this horrible shot. That's about as bad as you get.
Here you go.
I'd say I definitely got some gut.
Gut, see?
I don't smell it at the moment, but I'd say I got some. Well, I am not ashamed of this deer one bit because I worked tremendously hard to get him. So hard that he looked like a giant. And I took the shot and it happened. He was kind of wide.
Yeah, it's nice.
So cool. Gun season starts tomorrow, but I got this one with a bow today.